Hello friends, Sorin here. Welcome back to our course and welcome back to our next lecture. In this lecture I wanted to show you a tool that it's awesome if you want to promote a product, a new service or something like that, okay, and you practically want to create a mockup, to use a mockup like a MacBook Air or an iPhone or any device like that, okay, because this type of ads and this type of images look very professional if you promote an app, for example, okay, or a service or a website or a new platform or something like that. And the website is called placeit.net. It's actually very simple. You can see here in my browser, okay, and after you will enter the website, you will see that you have different types of mockups from which you can choose. They have a free plan, okay, you can test the app, you can do different mockups, not at a very high resolution, but you can do your bootstrap work at the beginning with it. And also you have a subscription, a monthly subscription, if you want to use all the features that the app it's giving to you, and it's from up to $15 per month, and you can use all their templates, video templates, images, swap, multi-stages, and different other features like that, okay. Now let me show you an example exactly to see how it works. We are already on the platform. For example, we can select this one, okay, this photo, iPhone mockup featuring. You just go and upload an image. For example, I will upload this image that I always use as an example, okay. I will crop the image right now and you will see exactly how the image will look like, okay. It's processing the image. This is exactly how the image looks like. As you can see here, you can add text effects and you can download, and you have like a small watermark here, but it states very clear that downloads don't have watermarks. So you can share it already, okay. You can grab screenshot from an URL, okay. You can add some text and effects. For example, we select the download image, okay, and after that you can add the text, the effects, and so on. And for example, if you click on the download, let's see, on the high, no, we just select the small version. If you go on the high version, okay, exactly as I've told you, for a higher resolution you have to pay more, super high resolution even more, okay. So this is how these guys are making money. So probably you won't need at the beginning a very high resolution. It depends on what you want to do with the mockup. For example, if you want to use it printed, maybe you will need a high resolution. If you want to use it for your social media, I doubt you will need a higher resolution than this one. Just for example, if maybe you will need it for your cover photo or something like that. So you just press the button download and let's have a look so you guys can see exactly how this looks like. So it's actually a very nice photo, okay. This looks awesome. This gives a professional look to your photos. As I stated before, it's crucial if you have maybe an app, if you are promoting an app on social media, or if you are promoting I don't know, like a new service or a subscription plan or a new platform on social media. This gives it a very professional look, so I really recommend you to use this app if you are promoting something like that. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. As you have seen, it has a tons of features. I'll let you play with all of them on yourself, because you can do a lot of testing and a lot of stuff to see exactly how it works, but you got the general idea, okay. You can use this app. And thank you very much for your attention. You know already that you are awesome. I send you my best wishes. Sorin here. Till next lecture. Bye bye.